Seoul and Washington have finally come to a conclusion on when the transfer of wartime operational command should take place. Now, currently, the U.S. has control of the troops on South Korea's soil, and it looks like it will stay that way until the mid-2020s. Kim Min-ji has our top story.
South Korea and the United States have agreed to postpone once again the transfer of wartime operational control of Korean troops from Washington to Seoul. The two allies did not set a new timeline, but the transfer is expected to take place sometime in the mid-2020s. The decision came at the annual Security Consultative Meeting in Washington between South Korea's Defense Minister Han Min-gu and his U.S. counterpart Chuck Hagel. The handover was initially scheduled for 2012 before being delayed to 2015. Seoul has peacetime control of its 639,000 service members, but if a war breaks out on the Korean peninsula, the U.S. commander of the American troops here takes the control of the Korean soldiers. According to a joint statement released after the meeting, the deal was made in light of the evolving security environment in the region, which includes North Korea's nuclear and missile threats and the need to maintain a strong combined defense posture. Seoul and Washington agreed to a conditions-based approach. The eventual transfer will only come once the security environment in the region allows for a stable transition, when the South Korean military is equipped with core capabilities and is ready to counter threats from the north. Based upon the recommendations of the defense chiefs, the presidents of South Korea and the U.S. will determine the appropriate timing for the transition. In a joint press conference, Hagel reaffirmed the U.S. commitment to its ally.
I emphasize that the United States remains committed to using all our military capabilities both on and off the Korean Peninsula, including conventional strike, missile defense, and our nuclear umbrella, to ensure that our extended deterrence is credible and effective.
The agreement underlines the strong alliance and determination of the two nations to cope with threats posed by North Korea. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.